Okay, I'm back. I got everything lined out to put the bearing into the cone. This is very important. The first thing you do, it has to be done, do not forget to put the special retaining washer into the cone first before you press that bearing in. Without this in there, this is what I pushed against to push the bearing out, and I can't tell you how many times I've pushed a bearing in there, realized I forgot the retaining washer, and you're unable to push the thing out. So this is very important to drop that in there first with the tapered side facing down. So it's facing down. Now I got my bearing. See, I got a little bit of blue Loctite. We're replacing a bearing pressed an interference fit, and the more times you press a bearing in out of a housing, it loses its elasticity. The metal loses its elasticity and doesn't grip quite as tight as it did before. So I like to add a little Loctite to help it out. Okay, so we're moving our press up. We got just the right tool here. Just wide enough so that it presses on the outside race. You don't want to press on the inside only, because then the force of shoving that in there is going to go through your ball bearings and possibly damage them. So the best way to do it is this way. So we get her started. Move it down. And there it is. Okay. Pull that up out of the way. And reinstall our snap ring. Well, you don't need to see that. So shut this off.